Hi, in front of me is NOKIA 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu, find calendar and click on it. Now you can tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on the plus icon and pick event. Then you can add a title and customize your event however you want to. For example, you can choose starting hour and ending one. You can add people, location, take notes or even change color. If you want to, for example, set up notification, you need to click on this option and pick one of the available ones, or choose custom and customize it however you want to. Then click done. If you are done with your event, you can save it by tapping at the top right corner on save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!